Hello designers, welcome back to the graphic school. In today's tutorial we are going to create a modern and sleek 3D ribbon style logo like the one you see here. This is perfect for a letter based logo and today we will be using the letter A as our base. Let's jump right in. First, let's open up Adobe Illustrator and create a new document. Hit on File and New. You can also press Ctrl Command N from your keyboard. Set the dimension 1000 by 1000 pixels and make sure the color mode is RGB for digital use. Now click on Create to get started. Now we will start with the letter A. Select the Type tool by pressing T from your keyboard and type the letter A in the middle of the canvas. Now select Selection tool and I'm making it a little bigger. Choose a bold geometric font such as Montserrat or Roboto. Write here the font name and then select the bold or black one. We want a font that's simple and strong to work with for this 3D ribbon effect. Now we will convert this letter to outline so we can edit the shape. Go to Type, Create Outline. Now use the direct selection tool to adjust the anchor point and create a more customized dynamic shape if needed. Now for the fun part, the ribbon effect. Use the pen tool by pressing P from your keyboard to draw a smooth flowing line that wraps around the letter. Think of it like a ribbon that curves and folds. You can start with one side of the letter, then continue the ribbon as if it's looping around. Now I am selecting all the shape and go to Shape Builder tool to remove the all unwanted parts from my design. Just press and hold Alt key from your keyboard and just click on those unwanted parts. It will be removed from your design. Now I am gonna make a line over here. For remove that part, just go to Line Segment tool and draw a line over here and go to Selection tool and select everything and just go to Shape Builder tool again and just press and hold Alt key from your keyboard and just click here. I want to create a space here, that's why I just select this on shape and go to Object and Path, Offset Path. Check the preview option and just click on OK. Now press and hold Shift key from your keyboard and just select this on. Now go to Shape Builder tool and just press and hold Alt key from your keyboard and just click here to remove all unwanted parts from my design. Now select on Direct Selection tool and select these unwanted parts and just press Delete. To make the ribbon look 3D, we will apply gradient. Select the ribbon shape and go to the Gradient tool. Apply a gradient with shade of yellow and orange or use your preferred colors. Now I am gonna customize the color shade by using Gradient tool. Make sure the dark shade is on the shadow side of the ribbon to give it depth. To enhance the 3D look, we will add some shadow and highlights. You can use the pen tool to draw a small shape where the light will naturally hit. Or use the Gradient Mesh tool for a smoother position. This will give the ribbon a more realistic feel. Now it's time to add the text and click below the logo to add the name. I'm gonna write here the name and just select Selection tool and I'm making it a little bit bigger. Adjust the font as you need. Now that our ribbon effect is in place, make sure everything is perfectly aligned. Use the Align tool to center everything and make any final adjustment to the curves and shading. Now it's time to add a background. I'm gonna make a rectangle over here. Just go to rectangle and just click on the canvas and just set the size to 1000 by 1000 pixel as our artboard size. 1000 by 1000 pixel and then hit on the OK. And just Selection to select and go to the Align, just center and vertically center. I just right click on it and just go to Arrange and center back. I'm going to change the background color Just select the background and just double click on the color, fill color, and just type here the color code. I'm gonna paste my color code here 00 on 736 and just hit on the OK. And now I'm gonna change the font color. Just unlock the design and just select the font and double click on the fill color and just type here your color code. I'm gonna type my color code and just press OK. Once you're happy with your design, just save it as an AI file for the future edits. Then export it as a PNG with transparent background at 300 dpi for high quality output. And that's how you create a stunning 3D ribbon style logo in Adobe Illustrator CC. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Graphic School for more professional design content. Thanks for watching.